day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the TW8 Ultra Smartwatch, one of the affordable watch ultra clone smartwatch in the market for 2024. Again, this is the TW8 Ultra Smartwatch. This one is a 45mm body frame. Most of the wearable right now, especially in the watch ultra clone, is in the 49mm category. So this one is a much compact, smaller size of the watch ultra clone. So we are going to check on this wearable, see its features as well as its design, and check whether this one is worth buying or getting one if you are looking for a watch ultra clone smartwatch with an affordable price. If you have any questions regarding the TW8 Ultra Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Alright, let's start and explore the TW8 Smartwatch. Before we open the box, let's check first some of the details here in the packaging. As you can see here, we have a 1.96-inch big screen. So this one is for the sports function or automatic activity tracking. This is a location function. I think with this one, doesn't have a built-in GPS but a connected GPS support. NFC for security doors, wireless charging, and call function. Call function meaning a Bluetooth call support. Smartwatch model TW8 space aluminum case. We have this color. This is gold ultra. The back, let's see. Okay, so we have here, I think this is the support app. So it is a new logo. We did not encounter this before. Space aluminum case again. Ultra. Brightness adjustment, do not disturb mode, and other features here. Alright, so let's check it out. TW8 Ultra Smartwatch, a watch ultra clone with it's a multifunctional smartwatch. So we have here the user manual, available of course in English and Chinese language as expected. So we have here, as you can see here, the support app is the SZOS. I thought it's Fit Pro or HRY Fine application. But this one, it is SZOS. We're going to have a demo on that when we pair the wearable. And we have here wireless charger, still USB type A, usual charging cable for watch ultra clone smartwatches. And we have the smartwatch, and yes, we do have an aluminum space, somewhat golden in color. We have a flexible silicone strap, lightweight. Let's weigh in, let's check. So we have here a weighing scale, as you can see, 0, Let's check on the weight of the wearable. So 53.61 grams with a strap attached. Again, this is a 45mm. So small form factor compared to the usual watch ultra clone right now in the market with the 49mm body frame. So let's remove the plastic here so we can appreciate the beauty of this TW8 smartwatch. Kind of hard to remove the plastic here. Okay, so we have this smartwatch. So small form factor, 45mm, metal bezel, Bluetooth calling sports watch. We have a fake screw here, and we don't have a watch strap lock. So this one, it is attached through form or through force fitting. We have the usual design here: a small crown button, a side button, and an orange action button. Again, let's have a closer look at the design of the TW8 Ultra Smartwatch. So it is a decent looking smartwatch, but the problem is we don't have a watch strap lock here. Hopefully this one will not be loosened when you are wearing the wearable. Anyway, seems like it is locked tight here. We have the orange action button here, speaker. So that's it for the design. So let's check on the UI of the wearable, and of course let's check the function of these buttons. So power it on. Hello, smartwatch. Let's wait. Still loading. And we have here the wearable. Let's check if this is functional, if there's a feature for rotating function or rotary. Yes, we do have it here. Okay, let's change the watch face, and we have the watch face here. So as you can see here, decent black border. This one, return. Is this a return button? Yes. How about this one, sports? Yes, it is a sports button. On top we have the different functions here, shortcutted different functions. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen. Okay, it's a different setup or different format for this split screen. Seems like this is our first time to have this type of split screen. So different design this time, as you can see. Common applications, recently access app, I think, for this one. On the right side we have the different cards here. We have music, calories, heart rate, weather, and sleep monitoring. So that's it for the basic UI of our TW8 Ultra Smartwatch. So watch out for our next video for the TW8 Ultra Smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Goodbye.